I want something to eat, but I can't find my nap. Oh, I forgot full name. Nap, what? Oh, you mean napkin? That word is missing its last part. Yes! Napkin! It has two parts, nap and kin. That makes 2 syllables.
Hello, I'm Captain AHS. Today, we're trying to discover something fun to complete the 2-syllable words and sentences.
I want something to eat, but I can't find my nap. Oh, I forgot full name. Nap, what? Oh, you mean napkin? That word is missing its last part. Yes! Napkin! It has two parts, nap and kin. That makes 2 syllables.
Good, Saro and Mina. Now complete more 2-syllable words.
I'm ready.
Here is the word kit. Please complete this word by adding the second syllable.
It's a kitten.
Great job. Here is another word, but please complete this word by adding the second syllable.
It's a button.
Here is another word, rab. Please complete this word by adding the second syllable.
Oh, I know it's rabbit.
Alright, let's buy some groceries.
Mama, we can't find the shopping list. We need to look for items that have 2-syllable names. Oh no. How will we know what to buy?
Let's complete the words so we can find the right food. What do you think AP- should be?
Apple. That's easy. Hey Mama, take a look. Here are the apples.
Great, Mina. Now tell me, what do you think car should be?
And car is carrot.
That's right. Now let's fill in the sentences with 2-syllable words so we don't miss anything.
Why not? Mama, let's do it.
Look at this sentence. We need a dash of milk. What word fits here?
A bottle. We need a bottle of milk. Am I correct, Mama? The word bottle has 2 syllables, right?
Yes, Saro, you're right. How about this one? Let's buy a fresh dash of bananas. What syllable word fits here?
A basket. Let's buy a fresh basket of bananas.
Perfect. We have everything now. Let's check out.
Mina, I think someone is knocking at the door. Baba, you're knocking on the door, but what's this parcel doing here without a label?
This delivery note is missing words. It says, your dash is ready for pickup and please sign this dash. Can you please complete these sentences using two-syllable words?
Oh no.
We need to complete the sentences. What's ready for pickup? A package. Your package is ready for pickup. Am I right, Baba?
Yes. Now, what do I need to sign?
A paper? A letter? Oh, I know. A ticket. Please sign this ticket.
That's perfect. You two are great at finding the missing words. Now complete more sentences with two-syllable words. Here is one. The dash is barking in the yard.
I know. It must be puppy. The puppy is barking in the yard.
You two are amazing at this. One more. The dash is shining in the sky.
The sunlight. The sunlight is shining in the sky.
Great job.
Excellent work, team! It's time for the final quiz. Complete the word car dash. Options: A. Carpet. B. Canteen. The correct answer is A. Carpet. Complete the sentence. The little boy found a dash of fruit. Options: A. Basket. B. Car. The correct answer is A. Basket. Complete the word AP dash. Options: A. Apple. B. Banana. The correct answer is A. Apple. The word little has 3 syllables. Options: A. True. B. False. The correct answer is B. False. The word pencil has 1 syllable. Is this true or false? The correct answer is false. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll read sight word sets. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.